For the first time in Hyderabad, we are organizing a conference on real estate South India. Most of the issues related to South India, the prospects for growth of real estate in South India, we are conducting. About 250 delegates are participating. And the various issues, various issues that are concerning the industry are being discussed. It is the issues that are concerning the government, the potential that is available because of the rapid urbanization that is taking place in South India, the growth of the urban economic centers. Even if you discuss, we are saying how we can build sustainable cities, keeping in view the urbanization of the cities and towns. There will be some discussions which are taking place. Then next to that is there are two important laws that are being envisaged. One is Land Acquisition Act and other is Real Estate Regulatory Act. What is the, because of these two, what is the impact on real estate is also going to be discussed here. Next aspect is the adopting new building technologies, building processes. That also is going to be discussed for either construction in terms of using the precast techniques for small to medium and large scale projects. How to procurement, how can we plan the procurement to get the project executed at a very with quality and at good pace. Then we are also discussing on other things like plumbing and electrical, what are the cost savings that can be done, how to make more sustainable buildings, green and energy efficient buildings are all being discussed. Then once we develop the product, how to market, what is the latest trend in marketing the product, like social media networking, which is going to be out of the day, where you have to maintain a good brand image to sell your products. Everyone who is going to buy your unit is going to serve the browse the net, and then he is trying to find out about the developer and about the project and the costing also. So this also is going to be discussed and deliberated upon to make people, developers, to enrich themselves to adapt to the latest trends. We are also discussing on the funding mechanism. What are the funds? How do you raise the funds? Is also going to be one topic. Apart from all this, because of the real estate growth, it is not the building offices and residential. We are also looking at the opportunities that are available for developers in constructing of hospitals, hotels, education buildings, logistic parks, malls and multiplexes, and how they are, how these business models will work, and how the profitability is expected. So we are discussing on the alternate asset classes, the opportunities available for developers to build other asset classes, and what are the financing models, and what is the business model, and what are the opportunities is being discussed to enable developers to take up such projects. I think we are vastly covering most of the aspects that are covered in the for the real estate industry. And also it's going to be a good networking platform for the developers and consultants to come together to understand what business models are working well and what are the factors that are affecting the real estate.